20th thesis statement or discovery along my self-healing journey, coupled with this case study exploration, is that rapid eye blinking combined with yawning may indicate new neural connectivity, provoking autonomic relaxation. Throughout my healing journey, including in the process of creating my known documentary series, I persistently experienced moments where my unconscious body was able to make new connections of past data in relation to the present moment. For 3 years, I could not create new explicit conscious memories. And so all of the information from 3 years of experience was stored as raw, abstract, energetic data in my body that did not have effective neural connectivity. During this process of self-healing, I would reach these points where I would suddenly start to rapid blink coupled with yawning.
Take your time, baby. I gotcha.
And even though I could not consciously get to a knowledge of memory activation, applying what I learned through my work, I recognized that this was the activation of implicit memory data that was able to make new connections because of things like loving presence. Allowing myself to be fully connected with myself in the present moment allowed unconscious activations of disintegrated implicit data to achieve new neural connectivity. As this neural data was able to make these new connections because of the process of moving through with deep presence and deep attunement, this process of new neural growth ignited deeper autonomic relaxation. So the rapid eye blinking, I realized, shows that the unconscious body mind is accessing implicit neural data. Yawning reveals autonomic relaxation. So does swallowing and sighing, but yawning seems to happen the most for me. And when these two things happened simultaneously, it showed me that neural data was achieving new connections that was allowing the nervous system to experience deeper relaxation. Throughout my continued healing journey, there would be these moments where I could feel a flood of internal activations where I couldn't fully be engaging in the moment because of something going on, but I couldn't put my finger on it because it's completely unconscious. Creating space for this to take place, I allowed whatever was coming up to just come be in a space of loving presence. Relaxing into this process encouraged new neural connectivity, allowing for deeper autonomic relaxation. Looking back at my case study work, I recognize that this was actually something I've been experiencing for several years, but I have no memory of that. But I was recognizing in a lot of my videos that I would reach this space where I was describing what was happening using left brain language to describe sensations in the right brain. And moving through that process encouraged connectivity between my brain hemispheres. And there kept being these really big moments of deep, deep yawns and deep rapid blinking and all kinds of unique stuff going on. So my 20th thesis statement or conclusion from my first case study is that rapid blinking, when it occurs automatically and unconsciously, coupled with a yawn, again occurring unconsciously and automatically, may reveal new neural connectivity, increasing autonomic relaxation.